Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. As I have started tutorial series of Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial series, and this is its second lesson. I have already completed first lesson, and that link are given in description. And also, if you want to learn about Microsoft Word tutorial series, that are also available in our channels. And also, if you're a civil engineer, then you can learn about any software tutorials, and that are also available in our tutorial series. So first of all, I will just first of all, I wanted to say that actually, if you're a civil engineer, then in this channel they have many contents that are actually required for a civil engineer, and it should learn for a civil engineer. So let's start. So first of all, actually I will open our previous file. That was a previous file I have in my first lecture. I have discussed about that. So actually in this lecture I am going to show that how we'll go in insert. Suppose I will open that. So from insert we can use we can open new slide like that. Then we can draw table. So like that we can draw table like that. And also from here by double clicking here we can change the table format. So from here there have different types of format. So actually we can use that. Okay, so from here just see here there have many types of format of a table, so you can use that like that. Okay, so okay, and also you can draw table, and also you can use eraser to delete a table. Okay, so after that from here actually I go again insert. So from here you can insert a picture here. Just simply come here and insert your picture, and also you can increase and decrease that size. Okay, so after that there have many options. Okay, there are many options to modify that. So just you can increase its remove background. You can also remove background from here. Otherwise you can just change its color. Just see here they have many color here available, and also they have many color. You can use that. Okay, so like that way you can actually use that, and you can change its color from here. So after that they have many color actually. So after that there's the aesthetic effect. So they have many aesthetic effect also, so you can also change it here from. Okay, so now they have options compress picture. So you can actually use that compress picture. After that they have change picture. Just simply for that you require to online. After that reset picture, they have another option of reset picture or reset picture, or here just simply click here and reset picture and size. So just see here it's come its original position. So I'll just move it, and I will just come here. Now they have many picture style. Suppose here just take your mouse here and see that it's changing according to requirement. Just here, so you can use that according to requirement. You can use that shape that what are required for you. So simply you can move that just like that way. So you can do it, and also you can change the page border color. Suppose from here just see here, just you can change your page border color, and also you can change page effect shadow to just see here. Here also you can use you can use anything here actually. So reflection, just see here. Extremely sorry. So from here actually just we can change anything that according to our requirement. So just see here just like that. Actually we can change that. Now again I will come here insert. So from here again similarly we can insert shape from here, then a smart art. Okay, so from here actually I have already shown you that about it. So okay, and that you can also use that according to for your smart art or for your flow chart. So cancel that. After that here is the chart. So you can use that chart for your, actually this is the chart or graph, you can use from here any kinds of graph according to requirement. Okay, so actually I will in my previous lecture I've told you that I will show you about it in my Excel tutorial series, where I will show you about that. And everywhere is same, so it will be very effective when I will show you about that bar chart in Excel file. So it will be very helpful for you, and I think so that's why I'm not going to show you that here. After that they have hyperlink also. I've discussed about that, and that is actually very simple, and also I have used that in my previous lecture. So now I'll go here actually. So this is most important part, says the design. So from here actually, if you select and just see here, you can select your background. Okay, according to requirement, I mean what will be the background here actually. So just see here, is therefore there have many types of background available, so you can use that. So if you just click here, okay, so from here you can also change its color, change its font, effect. From here you can change anything, just you have to practice here actually that how will change that. So from here also you can change it. So there have many types of design chart, so you can use here actually according to requirement what you want to use here actually. So you can use here. After that you can also change its format background. So from here just you can change that color here. From here you can adjust that, then which types of color you require, just see here, you can change it, and also you can change its color. So from here which types of, I mean which color you require, then from here you can change it that. Okay, so actually in this way, so you can use it actually like that way. After that here you can use any of it. Now I'll go here for transition. So how will actually use that? What is the procedure to use the transition? Suppose this is a picture and we want to use the transition. So simply just if you click here, it will be open like that way, fit. So I mean what is the meaning of transition? From first page to second page, how your second page will open, okay, after your first page, it's show that. So here then if you click just like that way, your second page will open. So if you click here just like that way, and here also just see here, so from your first page it will open your second page like that way. Sorry, transition. Then here just see here, then random bar here, then shape. Okay, so also you can change that effect from here. Okay, there have many types of effect, just see here. So you can diamond shape. So from here then uncover just like that, and also they have many format of uncover, and also you can change its duration. Suppose if you click here, suppose see that it's moving very fast, but if you increase that 2 seconds. So from here if you open that, just see here, it's moving very less, I mean in slowly. So here actually you can take its time. So after that there are many more options. Suppose this is like a door, it's opening like a door, and it's like a box. So actually from here you can just see here, wow. So like that way you can also use your that bar. So just see here, this is very nice. So in this way just you can use your transition. And today's video it's done, and in the next video I'll show you about that how we'll use animation, and after that I will I will complete a slideshow, and I'll show that how it works and how we'll make that. So thank you very much. And if you think that that's helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also like our video, share our video with your friends who record that, and also leave a comment. Your opinion is very important for us, and it's inspire us for the next one. So thank you very much.